With this strategy, it might earn us anywhere from $5 to $200. Assuming you make $15 per image on average, you can easily see that selling just 10 images will earn you $150 a day. You don't need to be a design genius to make this happen. All it takes is a few simple clicks. You can also do this using your mobile phone, which makes it great for beginners anywhere in the world. Using this specific approach, a great number of people have been successful in withdrawing money earned online every day. So make sure you stay until the end of this video to know exactly how you can achieve this. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first thing you've got to do is go over to YouTube. You've probably noticed that thumbnails like this appear before you can watch a video. You can see a thumbnail for each video on YouTube, and users can click on the thumbnail to watch the video. And these thumbnails are important for a channel to gain viewers and likes. It is what catches attention. Okay, so if you didn't know, you can make these thumbnails and cash in big time. In case you were wondering, each thumbnail costs anywhere between $10 and $25. To maximize their earnings, some people will even put together a package deal for this service. You could be a seasoned pro with a keen eye for design or a total newbie with zero sales experience but a lot of enthusiasm. You may be wondering how you too can make money off of YouTube by uploading these thumbnails. You don't have to have any sort of technical knowledge or previous expertise, and I'll show you the ropes for free. Now go on over to Picmaker.com to generate your graphics. All you need is a computer or mobile phone, and you can access this website from any place in the world at no cost. You can use this as a starting point for your own YouTube image designs, or you can use any of the other pre-made templates they provide, which means you can start making custom images for YouTube with a single click. It is possible to generate anywhere from $5 to $30 with just one of these photos on YouTube. Think about the money you could save yourself by using this free template instead of hiring a designer. To get started, you don't need to pay or invest any cash. Allow me to demonstrate the proper way to carry out this task. I would like for you to look for this link right here, which can be found if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this website. You should look for YouTube Thumbnail Maker. You may make your own YouTube thumbnail at no cost by clicking here and then select the Make Your YouTube Thumbnail Now button. And that will bring you to the page where you may create your free account. Use your Google or Facebook account to sign up. You can also just input your username, email address, and password here. Make sure this box is checked and then click the sign up button. Before we get going, show us your support by giving us a thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you can check out more of our awesome videos. Now, let's jump back in. Now let me show you what your work page looks like. Here on the left, you'll discover a selection of pre-made layouts to use. It's fine to use this one as a jumping off point for your own creations. It's simple to have a thumbnail like this ready for YouTube and make a few tweaks so it fits the niche you're making content for. It would be appropriate to give this undertaking a title at the very top. I'll demonstrate this point with an illustration utilizing the yoga category right here in the same video. So we will create different YouTube images just like this in the yoga category, and by the end of watching this video, you can start making a lot of money. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. If I select it, it will immediately appear on this screen. Even though it's only an image on YouTube, I think it does a great job of drawing people in because it seems so polished. The examples here show that achieving the desired result is a breeze. With a single tap, you may see the results instantly. That's right, you may go ahead and start making any necessary changes you want right now. If I click the text button, for instance, I may modify the text in this very window. There is a toggle for adjusting the font and size. The whole process is simple. This is something that can be done on a mobile device as well. Now, it's crucial to know that you may modify your YouTube thumbnail's appearance by selecting its attributes and then adding whatever you choose, such as a sticker, icon, or text overlay. For instance, this will appear as a thumbnail in my personal gallery after I click on it. Whenever I want it, however big or tiny. Changing any and all settings is a breeze. You can alter the backdrop hue from that point. Clearly, I have a wide range of options when it comes to color. When you're ready to download, just hit the button. Please keep watching because I'm going to teach you exactly how to convert these YouTube videos into cold, hard cash. But before I reveal the site to you, let us know what you think about our video today by leaving a comment below. If there's any part of the video you're confused about, we would like to help you. Now, let's get back to our video. I want you to go ahead and open a new tab in your web browser and type in peopleperhour.com. Simply put, this platform is where people advertise their services for other people to use in their projects. You can advertise a wide variety of services on peopleperhour.com. You should start by searching for YouTube thumbnail in this box, and it will take you to a website listing various services offered by people on peopleperhour.com. To sum up, several people are in fact earning a substantial income. You'll find folks from all over the world if you browse down a little bit, including Pakistan, India, the United Kingdom, Spain, Sweden, Kenya, the Philippines, and many more. Using the methods I just demonstrated, you could offer your services on peopleperhour.com as a YouTube thumbnail creator. You could charge per image or provide a bundle deal. Here's an example. If I click on this service, I'll be brought to this page. A title reading, "I make fantastic YouTube thumbnails to attract more viewers and followers" is displayed. Do your best on this, as it will attract customers who are actively seeking your service. Don't miss out on the chance to improve your financial situation by seizing this opportunity. You can make hundreds of dollars just by offering your services based on how highly rated they are on peopleperhour.com. Another website that is just as helpful is known as SEOclerks.com. They're very much like People Per Hour. However, there is a lot less rivalry and not many people know about them, so you can find a variety of services. There's a wide range of possible prices for your service, from a few dollars to $100. Just be upfront about the services you're providing and how long they will take to complete. You can continue to make money by offering to make thumbnails for videos on YouTube and by making your own thumbnails using Picmaker.com. Quick, no cost, and simple. People on this site are in fact making money just like all of these people over here, as you can see. This can be done no matter where you are, and you have complete control over the amount of money that is given to you for your efforts. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.